Welcome to our deep dive into one of space's greatest mysteries. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? We often hear about black holes as these cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. But what if there's something more? What if they're not just endpoints, but gateways to parallel universes? Today, we're exploring this shocking, mind-bending idea that challenges everything we think we know about space, time, and our very existence. Get ready for a journey to the edge of reality itself. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is a black hole? In simple terms, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so incredibly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Imagine a star, many times more massive than our own sun, reaching the end of its life. It runs out of fuel, and the immense force of its own gravity causes it to collapse inward. This catastrophic collapse crushes all of its matter down into an infinitely dense, infinitesimally small point. This point is called a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is a boundary known as the event horizon. You can think of the event horizon as the point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no turning back. It's the edge of a one-way street leading to the center of the black hole. For decades, this was our primary picture of black holes. Cosmic monsters, destroyers of worlds, the ultimate dead end. But physics is rarely that simple. As our understanding has deepened, a more complex and fascinating picture has emerged. Physicists are now exploring the possibility that black holes aren't just destructive traps. They've begun to wonder what actually happens at the singularity. What lies beyond the event horizon? Some of the most brilliant minds in science now think that within the unimaginable chaos of the singularity, there might be something even stranger, something truly profound. A bridge. A bridge to other parts of our own universe. Or maybe, just maybe, a gateway to a completely different universe altogether. This is where science fiction starts to sound a lot like actual science. This incredible hypothesis hinges on one of the pillars of modern physics, Einstein's theory of general relativity. According to Einstein's equations, the extreme warping of spacetime caused by a black hole's gravity doesn't necessarily have to lead to a dead end. Instead, it could create what's known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge, or more famously, a wormhole. Imagine taking a piece of paper, marking 2 points on it, and folding the paper so the 2 points touch. A wormhole is the cosmic equivalent of that. It's a theoretical tunnel with 2 ends, each located in different regions of spacetime. One end could be here in our galaxy, and the other could be billions of light years away. Or even more astonishingly, the other end might not be in our universe at all. This means that if an astronaut in some futuristic, indestructible spacecraft could survive crossing the event horizon, which is a massive, highly unlikely, if they might not be crushed into oblivion. Instead, they could potentially travel through this wormhole and emerge on the other side. And that other side could be a parallel universe, a completely separate cosmos existing side by side with our own, governed by its own set of physical laws, or perhaps ones very similar to ours. The idea gets even wilder. Some scientists, like physicist Nikodem Poplawski, have proposed a mind-blowing concept called cosmology in a black hole. This theory suggests that our entire universe, everything we can see, from the distant galaxies to the planet we're on right now, could exist inside a massive black hole that itself formed, within an even larger, higher-dimensional parent universe. In this scenario, every time a black hole is created in our universe, it could be giving birth to a new baby universe inside it. This completely reshapes our understanding of our place in the cosmos. We might not just be in a universe. We might be a universe within a universe, a nested reality that stretches into infinity. If black holes are truly connectors to parallel universes, the implications are staggering. It could provide a physical mechanism for the multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes existing simultaneously. Think about it. every possible outcome of every event could be playing out in a separate reality. A universe where the dinosaurs never went extinct. A universe where you made a different choice this morning. All of these worlds could exist, separated from us by the impenetrable veil of our own space-time, with black holes as the potential doorways between them. This idea could also help solve some of the biggest puzzles in cosmology. For instance, what came before the Big Bang? If our universe was born from a black hole in another universe, then the Big Bang wasn't a beginning from nothing, but rather a transition from a parent cosmos. It provides a chain of cosmic creation, where universes beget other universes through the formation of black holes. However, we have to be realistic. There are enormous challenges to this theory. The most immediate and deadly problem is the journey itself. The gravitational forces near a black hole are extreme beyond comprehension. As an object gets closer, the pull of gravity on the part of the object nearest the black hole would be much stronger than the pull on the part farthest away. This tidal force would stretch the object vertically while squashing it horizontally, a process gruesomely nicknamed spaghettification. Any matter, whether it's a spaceship or an astronaut, would be torn apart atom by atom long before it reached the singularity. With our current understanding of physics and materials, survival is impossible. The gateway, if it exists, appears to be a deadly one. Overcoming this would require technologies far beyond our wildest dreams. So is this all just theoretical speculation, or is there any actual evidence? While we haven't found a welcome to universe B sign hanging on the other side of a black hole, we are gathering more and more data that aligns with these mind-bending theories. Recent breakthroughs have given us unprecedented tools to study these cosmic giants. The detection of gravitational waves by observatories like LIGO and Virgo has been a game-changer. These ripples in the fabric of space-time, caused by cataclysmic events like the merging of two black holes, allow us to listen to the cosmos in a new way. The signals we've had detected from these mergers match the predictions of Einstein's theory of general relativity with incredible precision. And remember, it's within those very same equations that the possibility of wormholes arises. The more we confirm Einstein's theory, the more plausible the existence of these theoretical bridges becomes. Furthermore, advanced computer simulations are allowing cosmologists to model what happens inside and around black holes in ways we could never observe directly. By feeding Einstein's equations into supercomputers, they can visualize the formation of wormholes and explore their properties. These simulations show that, mathematically at least stable, traversable wormholes are not out of the realm of possibility, although they might require exotic forms of matter or energy to keep them open. So let's try to visualize this new perspective. Instead of seeing black holes as just cosmic destroyers, gaping mouths of nothingness, imagine them as portals. Picture the swirling accretion disk of superheated gas around the event horizon not as a final meal, but as the glowing entrance to a new realm. Think of the singularity not as an endpoint of destruction, but as the seed of a new beginning, a gateway to new worlds, new dimensions, and new possibilities waiting to be unlocked by the science of the future. It transforms them from objects of fear into objects of profound wonder. So, where does that leave us? Black holes remain one of the most mysterious and captivating objects in the universe. Are they simply the graves of massive stars, or are they something more? The idea that they could be our universe's gateways to parallel worlds is both terrifying and utterly fascinating. It pushes the boundaries of our imagination and forces us to question the very nature of reality. While a journey through one might be forever out of our reach, the very possibility tells us that the cosmos is far stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. The universe may be filled with countless other realities, and black holes could be the keys to unlocking them. What do you think? Are black holes portals to other universes? Or is this just a fascinating fantasy of physics? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If this adventurous journey through space-time excited you, Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more mind-bending cosmic mysteries. We have so much more to explore together. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.